Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking action now. Open Settings and check your device model and OS version so you know which menus to use. Back up your home layout or export your app list to restore quickly if needed. Then inspect the ad. Is it coming from the launcher, a system app, or a specific app? Once done, you'll know whether to disable a package, change permissions, or uninstall the offending app, so move to the next step. Now you act on the identified source and follow exact steps. For a system or rogue app, go to Settings Apps, force stop it, then disable or uninstall updates. That prevents background ad delivery. If a third-party app shows ads, uninstall it and revoke notification and display over other apps' permissions. If the launcher is the issue, change the default home app or install a trusted launcher. Make sure to set it as default so ads stop appearing on the home screen. Finish by removing remnants and verifying results. Clear cache and app data for the launcher and any cleared apps so saved ad content is gone. Run a malware scan with a reputable security app to catch adware and reboot. If ads persist after these steps, boot into safe mode to confirm a third-party app is responsible, then uninstall it. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Make sure you've backed up data first. If something
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.